If your ometv camera isn't working on Android, here are some steps you can try to fix it. 1. Check camera permissions. Go to Settings. Apps, ometv, Permissions. Make sure camera and microphone, if needed, is allowed. Checkmark 2. Clear app cache and data. Go to Settings, greater than Apps. Greater than ometv, tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Then Clear Data. Checkmark 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary camera or app issues. 4. Update ometv. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for ometv. If an update is available, install it. 5. Reinstall ometv. Uninstall the app. Restart your phone. Reinstall ometv from the Play Store. 6. Test your camera. Open your default camera app. If it doesn't work there either, it could be a hardware issue. If it works, the problem is likely with ometv 7. Use a different network. Sometimes poor internet or network settings can cause issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Checkmark 8. Try a different camera app. If you're using a custom ROM or camera app override, ometv might not be detecting your camera correctly. If none of this works, let me know your phone model and Android version. I can give more specific advice.